It's perfect. What do you think?
It's cool.
Oh my God. But it's okay, babe. We're gonna work through it. We're gonna work through it. After everything that went on last week, we need a break.
Well, not really a break, but we just need a reminder on why we're working and what we're working towards.
What better day than to do it on our 16th year anniversary?
It's our anniversary.
Yes.
What's up, fam?
What's up? It's Ray.
And Ty.
Ooh, y'all. They gave us one of the best presents. We thought we were gonna have to go far for this baby, but ding, ding, ding. One of our favorite RVs is here. It's really the one we want.
Yeah.
So let's go see. Ooh, our wheels for the day.
Can we go ride in the back?
Yeah.
In the lot, yet again.
Oh, okay.
So we meet again.
This is our first time seeing this type of model because of this one thing that all the other ones was missing when we were seeing it. So
Yep.
they finally got it in stock.
Thank you. Well, this is, I'm still in love. Still in love. Okay, oh my goodness. Even the kitchen size isn't bad. And we need more refrigerator space than freezer space. Can you picture yourself coming in here like, okay, everybody put your book bag. You probably put your book bags over there.
Or eating.
Temporarily. It has a sunken shower. So, babe, go ahead, get in there.
I ain't even worried about that. I don't worry about being close to this toilet.
Claustrophobic?
I don't
You
know
don't
why
like
this
that?
toilet seems closer to me now.
Well,
The shower cool.
I feel like it's give and take. We get 2 bathrooms. You get an angled toilet. I just hope you pay attention to the headspace you got, that you can be in there comfortable.
Just walking past this.
Oh,
Let it
yeah.
touch this on the pass out. Oh, Lord.
Use the bathroom first. What do you think? Let's see.
I don't care how the bathroom is, because the bathroom is not the living room.
That's your main concern.
Yeah.
Bruh, get down, please.
The main concern?
Please. So here is the bedroom. We were going to try to turn this into a bunk room, like do a DIY, as long as they would have approved of the way we would have did it. But we changed our mind. Ava was even nice enough to tell us we can come in their room for the view.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Baden found a water stain. So this is our room. Your room gonna be back there. Excuse me, sir. Ooh, this feel like a piece of cardboard. We could comfortably store everything.
All right, give me that.
So the bathroom was the main concern. It's perfect. Okay.
I call that spot.
Okay. I feel like that's tolerable.
Oh, we got our own bathroom.
What do you think?
It's cool.
Oh my God. You're gonna be like, that's their bathroom.
Yeah, I can picture it being dirty now.
Like, it's gonna be great.
It's cool, okay.
This is
Gonna be like washing your hands.
this is in and out, buddy. In and
You're
out.
gonna be like,
Yeah.
go wash your hands.
What do you think, little lady?
I love it.
With the washer and dryer, what they got like a slim joint?
So the washer and dryer that would go there would block that door. Out right to there, out to here.
Let's see.
Oh.
I mean, you still be able to get in there, I guess.
Still together, yep.
Unless
So
you
a
got
slight
big shoulders.
Not a stackable.
Ah.
I think I'm in love, y'all. Are you in love?
Yes.
Do a noise test. Loud. We still loud?
Yes.
Okay.
I could decorate that whole area.
Whew. You would put it around the walls up there?
Yeah, like as a wall hanger or something.
So you would be fine with being up there, so that means your brother would get this. Ooh. It was quiet out here for 2 seconds, dude.
Okay, bye.
So this is something we would want to do something about. Figured out about that. Thanks to TJ.
Recliners.
I was hoping it was down so we could have seen like what was the experience of us all sitting on there together.
Sure, we can move it down. Oh, we got a little seatbelt. I didn't know that.
Oh,
Because once we traveling, we have to throw this up here, right?
Yes, because the slide comes in, it would hit.
Excuse me. Okay.
So you got recliner there,
Get your cup up.
recliner there, recliner here.
Okay.
We have to test it out. Leave your gloves. It's fine. Unless you put them on.
Yeah, see, that's why you ain't supposed to do that.
In the world? Okay, I feel like that would probably be right there.
I got this side.
I got the 6 layers.
Okay, this could work. This could work. Oh, shoot.
Right.
Mommy,
Going apart.
you okay?
Of course, we would, have no shoes on. And then we would be able to
Oh, this recline.
put this out. Yep, you said 2
6.
recliners. Yeah, we could do this, y'all. We could have a little movie night. I feel like we could do this, y'all. What do y'all think?
Mama, if I had a cover.
It would be a wrap. And look at this. Look at these windows. So we still get a... Oh, come on now. Come on. I'm in heaven.
I think I'm so used to playing devil's advocate.
Babe, you can sit over there. You can sit over there. I'll let you put your feet up.
No, this would be
Y'all,
cool.
every
though.
single time I call, this is my other couch.
Okay, for real though.
This is
What's your issue?
No, I just don't like the toilet in there.
He be like,
Just walking past this.
We went through this, but it's okay, babe. We're gonna work through it. We're gonna work through it. Look, the couch is separated.
you can't.
I mean, look at the fireplace. You gotta distract yourself. You gotta look at the window. Look at the patio. You can sit on the patio.
Look at the salesman. He like, nope. I'm just man.
So that's the only downside for you. Well, and maybe the storage, I feel like it would be nice to have more storage, but I feel like that's our goal. Shh, calm down, sit down. I feel like that's our goal to really
Downsize more.
exactly. So we need to really be placing everything in here anyway.
Yeah.
Like I really don't want to have a bunch of extra stuff.
Yeah, me either. It'd be nice to see how it warmed up.
Right.
Like on a cold day, like, let's see, we outside, 20 degrees.
I don't remember it having as many windows. That's what's crazy to me.
I do like this though, because it's
Billy
like
is not
a living room and kitchen. Like, it's nice and spacious.
Yes. I think that's what I love. And of course, the fifth wheel ceilings. Then you can play your music loud, do your thing.
Yelly Bob turn.
Hey, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to leave. Like, I don't want to leave.
Right. Hi, Mommy.
What's up?
11 months.
Man, these Brinkley's look so good.
6, 7.
Wife's looking at it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So Ava is feeling inspired. Y'all know she has been on her cafe journey. So you like to set things up like this?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna fake y'all on my porch. I forgot it had milk in it. My stomach gonna be messed up. We got milk. I ain't messing with it.
Well, that was a great way for us to remember what we're doing all this hard work for.
Yes, because we finally hit a milestone right there. Now we excited. We got one that we locked in on for sure.
Dun, 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 dun.
And we gotta make sure them numbers right, y'all. So they saying they can, make some magic work. So we gonna see. See y'all tomorrow.
We'll definitely be having a delivery. It started raining right when he came.
Snow and raining.
Crazy.
So I had made some gifts for my parents because today is their anniversary. So I'm gonna read this note that I wrote to them.
Remember I made that too. Like
Yes, you made it too. Happy anniversary. Hi, Mom and Dad. It's Ava and TJ. We just wanted to let you know about how much we love you, guys. Y'all are the best parents ever. And we love you so much. We will never stop loving you guys. Ever. We are so thankful for everything. Love you. Congrats. Enjoy the coupons. A Cute Cups coupon. Gives y'all
coffee shop.
yes. Gives y'all free drinks until the 20th.
Okay.
Until the 20th.
Y'all might want to get as many free drinks as y'all want.
That's that.
Baby.
It's a movie night coupon. So whenever y'all want to have a movie night with us, well, I was wondering if you guys wanted to have one tonight.
Or
Two.
if y'all want to play rope up with us.
There's 2 hug coupons. So you guys can get free hugs whenever. It means love forever.
But I want to cash one in.
Come on, TJ. My glasses.